Hey, it's Jeremy here, and I got a quick tutorial for you. I'm going to be showing you how to use the SHAPER tool in Illustrator CC. What the SHAPER tool allows you to do is pretty much create lines and shapes all within Illustrator, and allows you to draw it and sketch it in the program, so even if it's not perfect what you're drawing, it will automatically recognize the shape you're trying to draw. So if we go to the left hand side, you can see the little icon there. It's got like a circle and a pen attached to it. You want to select that and click that, and that's the SHAPER tool. To be honest, I don't think you really need this if you're using a mouse. You can just usually go to the shape tools and use these, and it's got the keyboard shortcuts, which is a lot quicker. But if you have a Wacom tablet or a pad and a pen that you're using, whatever brand, doesn't matter, I think this is the easiest way to create shapes. So what I can do, I'm clicking and dragging with my mouse button. You can see I'm starting to draw shapes. So if I do like a wonky shape, it might recognize it as a square. I can do a rectangle, I can do a triangle, and you can see it starts to recognize it. Even the sizing as well, you can create different sizes. But if you do like a wonky shape, it might not recognize the shape. As you can see there, I can do a polygon. Hopefully this works. Yeah, that worked, cool. So you can see we can create all these cool little shapes just using the SHAPER tool. And you can see as I sketch, you got to sort of make the stroke at least 90% of the way or 80% of the way, because if you don't, it might just disappear, which is not that cool. So what I can also do as well, I can also do straight lines, as you can see like that, which is interesting. So in case maybe I want to cut this rectangle in half, I'll create this path, and then what I can do, I can select it, press Shift M for the shape builder tool, and then I can just like cut stuff out like that. That's how I would do it, to be honest. You can also go to your Pathfinder tool as well. So if I select these, go to my Pathfinder tool, and I can play around with these different Pathfinder modes as well. So you can see this one, it cut these two shapes, which is pretty interesting. If I do it here as well, I can play around and see what it creates. As you can see there, cut that, which is interesting. So yeah, that's how you use the SHAPER tool. Thanks for watching this quick tutorial. Leave a comment below if you found this useful or not, and hit that subscribe button because I post design content and tutorials every week. And I hope you guys have an awesome day. Catch you in the next one.